What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, we're going to be making some of my dad's famous macaroni salad, man. Been thinking about him, been thinking about this, so let's put our thoughts into action, shall we, buddy boy? Yes, indeed. That's right, buddy. Macaroni salad. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, which is it, man? Is it macaroni or is it salad? Well, it's both, buddy boy. And this is something that my dad used to make all the time. Anytime we were having a special occasion, a cookout, a family get-together, or really just, Sunday dinner or something, because this was the good stuff, man. I've shown you how to make his pea salad. This is close. And, I've been thinking about my dad a lot lately. He passed away in February. I went up to visit him for Memorial Day. And just had him on my mind heavy lately, and I thought, what better way to get back in touch with those feelings and those good memories than to make some of Dad's macaroni salad. Now, the way we got to get it started and get it rolling like that 55 Chevy Bel Air is you got to have that macaroni. So, you got to have elbows today, kind of like old Hulk Hogan would drop back in the day. Now, get your elbow macaronis and dump them in some boiling water, and you're going to let them boil. Now, while they are boiling, you can go ahead and start cutting up your vegetables. And old Dad, the green pepper and the red onion was like a thing to him, man. I don't know what it was. It was kind of like Andy Griffith and Barney Fife. They just belonged together, man, and you would always see them together in Dad's recipes. So, start out with that green pepper. Cut mine up real finely today. And that's the thing about this. You almost want to, not mince, but you want them pretty fine there. So, because you don't really want no big old hunk of chunk of none of that stuff. Yes, sir. You will see what I'm saying. So, get your green pepper cut up, and then you got to have the old smelly boy, that strong red onion. Same way with that, and I actually only used about half of the red onion. We don't want too much because it's going to be a powerful thing, man. So, you don't want to go too crazy with it, when you're cutting up your onions, sir. So now, let's go ahead and put on some Fats Domino and jam our way to the next thing, because the macaroni is pretty much going to be done by that time. I want you to take it over and drain that sucker boy right in the sink. And you're going to let it sit and cool down. You might even throw it in the fridge for just a second, but I don't recommend it because it makes it stick. But you might, do what you want to do. But you know me. I'm going to do what I want to do. So, next thing that we got to do, now that we got that done, is go ahead and get our cheese. Because you would always have cheese. And I'm going to tell you something else. It better be extra sharp cheddar cheese. Because if you came back with something else, boy, you wasn't going to be playing no Nintendo 64 for a week, man. You're grounded. He didn't listen to his list, you see. Had to be that sharp cheddar cheese. So, go ahead and get that and cube it up pretty good there, buddy boy. Now, once you get that cubed up, we ready to go, buddy. And we ready to put everything together. But not before we make our dipping mixture, our little sauce that we have here, sir. So, this is the Mabry's Secret Salad Dressing Sauce that my daddy used to make. And the main ingredient in that is that Miracle Whip, that miracle in a can, baby. But today, I just had to use the old whipped dressing. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I know you pop like that old Miracle Whip. Why didn't you run to the store and get some? Because I had this in the fridge, and you know me, buddy. I can tell you that shit, and he would agree. Let's just use that. So, we're going to put that down in there heartily, sir. I'm talking heavy duty, boy, because you need a lot of sauce to cover the deal. Now, put that down in there. Now, I want you to go ahead and add in some apple cider vinegar. Just enough to kind of make a moat around the old castle there, Eureka. Now, once you do that, he would also add just a touch of milk and some sugar. There again, Pops, I'm sorry. I know you're going to whip my butt, but I'm out of the sugar and I'm out of the milk, and you know me, I ain't got time for that shit. I ain't going to the store. So, this will work just fine. We can make it real smooth, and I'm sorry again, Pop, but it's going to be close, because these two are really the things that are driving it home, boy. So, let's go ahead and put it all together. First thing that you got to do, put your macaroni in the bowl. And now, I want you to add your green peppers to the thing. Green peppers, that's the shit for me. Now, third thing that you got to do, go ahead and get some of that onion. And really, when I put it in here, I didn't even use as much as I cut up. Like I said, that onion, it goes a long way, buddy boy, let me tell you. So, you want to put your cheese in next. And finally, the main ingredient, buddy, the thing that ties it all together. That secret sauce, buddy, my daddy's pride and joy. Besides me, that was it. So, once you get all that in there, I want you to stir it up Heavy duty, buddy. Make sure you fold it in there good. Make sure everything's good. And now you want to go let it chill in the fridge about 30 minutes to an hour or so, just long enough to watch a couple episodes of Mama's Family. So after we do that, we're ready for a big old sight and a big old chill bite of that macaroni salad tonight, buddy. Yeah. Still a little sauce too, and pick a little cheese. That's the thing when you make this. Got the big boy. Alright, baby, the time has come. Pop's macaroni salad is done, and I'm gonna have that first bite for me. Just got some barbecue chicken pulled out, boy. And that's the thing, this cool salad, man. Perfect with some barbecue. It's a summertime classic, man. Dad really knew what he was doing with this thing. So. Got it everywhere again. Mess. That's it, Pops. It's really close, man. It's really close. Not exactly as you would make it, because I think everything that you made was just a little bit better. But that's it, man. Just tastes like home, man. And you look behind me here. The chickens, the pictures. That's all Dad. This cooking, man. I started cooking because he loved to cook, and that was the way he showed love. He would, I'm going to make them a carrot cake because they did something good for me. So, just sharing recipes and sharing love and being happy. That's what he was all about, man. And I'm hoping that I can carry that on and, spread the good word and things that he taught me, just to spread love and be kind and to make some good-ass food. So, I want to thank you all for stopping by my house, my home here at Cooking with Black Owl, and watching another episode. So, y'all make sure to like and subscribe, follow me on social media, and watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to go turn on some Andy Griffith and have some of that chicken and some of this, and maybe Aunt B will make me a pie or something later. We'll see y'all soon. Pops, love you, brother.